every 20 minutes change clothes. I had a meal before the label. Just as long as they enough money made me do it. I said rest in peace to bankroll. You in a better place, though. You won't ever see me let off. Start the engine, watch me take off. Money made me do it. I said, yeah. I said money made me do it. I said, yeah. I said money made me do it. Watch me, yeah. I said money made me do it. I said, yeah. I said money made me do it. Take a ride when we wake up. Hit the gas, let your face up. Spend the day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. It's been quite a while since I sat down and did a video. Wait, your girl is back, better than ever, and I'm so excited to be back. I just needed a small break, you know, just to recuperate, just to remember that I'm a bad bee, and we're here now, you know. But yeah, so I'm super excited because I feel like I've got a lot more energy, I've got more ideas, and I'm just back in the filming mood. Sometimes you just need a break, you know, sometimes you just need to take a step back. But yeah, so today I'm back with a tutorial. You guys are always here for my tutorials, so I've just come back with like a chocolate look for my chocolate girls. And to her, this look is for anybody. Really simple, really summer appropriate, and I think especially this lip, it just brings out the chocolate. And also I'm going to be quickly talking about this hair. It's from UniceHair, 24, 26 and 228 inches. Your girl went really, like, this is definitely stripper length. Like, it's literally down to my pelvis. What? I can't say I'm not here for it because I certainly am. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I feel like old times. I miss this, like, just simple black straight bomb hair. Also this frontal is a mood. My hair was made for me by Hair by Backkkk. Check her out on Instagram because she's amazing. She's also on YouTube. I'll link below. But this hair is like, this is what made me want to do a middle part, because the hairline is just so nice and natural. It doesn't look forced. Like, it doesn't look like, yes, this is a middle part. It just looks like, you know, I just threw on a middle part, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't explain it, but I'm here for this look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. I'm back and I'm better, so what's good? So let's just get into this video. I'm gonna be just getting ready with you guys. I thought I'd go for a middle part today because it has been a minute since I've done that. It's really easy to straighten. I just run like straighteners for a few times, and I've had it for maybe like nearly a month now. I've been using it non-stop. I wore it on my holiday in Tenerife, so I'm just going to be straightening it right now. This hair is from UniceHair. I've worked with them before and their quality is amazing, and a lot of hairdressers always recommend them, so I'll leave their link in the description box. This hair is really, really, really nice. I got 26 inches, 4 bundles of 26 inches, and I think an 18-inch frontal. So I'm going to be using this tool right here, guys. This tool, this is life-changing if you want your hair laid. Do you know, like those Instagram videos that you see that you just wonder, like, how did sis get her hair looking like God himself planted every single strand of hair on that head, when realistically you know that that's like good Brazilian? If you're wondering, then this is the tool that you need. Like, I saw it in Aaliyah J's video and I thought, if Aaliyah J uses it, I need to have it. Do you know what I mean? But honestly, look, I've just run it through like twice already, and bear in mind this hair's already straightened. Look at the difference between how flat this side is versus this side. Like, you can just see that a bit of a bump there, can't you? And this is just super flat. You can, that is a big difference actually, you can tell. So yeah, I've been using this and I've been absolutely in love with it. You guys need it in your life. I took it on holiday, and like the customs people stopped me and was like, what is this tool? And I was like, sis, like, I need to get my hair laid, like, let me live. Honestly, like, Border Force were not having it, but they didn't know what it was, but now they'll know. I'm gonna link it. I just bought it from Amazon and it wasn't too expensive, but it's honestly changed the game for me. Have you guys missed me or not? Side note, look at this frontal, guys. By the way, I haven't glued it down yet. This is just willy-nilly on my head. Hair by Backkkk snatched this hair for me, and I've never experienced anything like it. Initially I had a high pony, so I'll insert some clips, but she did that. I'm gonna use my Got2b gel and just doing what I usually do. Oh, I wish I could do this like how Makai did. She did it so like classy and so like effortlessly and evenly. I'm just like, I ain't got time. You guys need to check her out. She's a mobile hairstylist in London, and she's also on YouTube actually. You need to check her out because she's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyes right now, but I wanted to just ask you guys, because whenever I do my neutral look, like I get the most like interaction and views and comments or whatever on those videos. But then at the same time, I do sometimes get comments saying, oh, you know, you do the same neutral look. It's just a bit confusing because whenever I try to do like colorful looks, which personally I don't really wear, by the way, that's why I don't really do them. Whenever I do bright looks, I don't get as much interaction. So I'm just wondering, what do you guys like? I do get sometimes that you guys want to see different stuff, but I just don't see the point if, number one, you guys don't watch them as much, and number two, I would never wear them. Do you know what I mean? So just let me know. Okay, for today I'm gonna go for a look that I would do, but in the future you guys can let me know what you guys feel. Okay, so I'm gonna go for this. This is my Revolution palette, by the way. Just all over the lid. For me personally, in the summer, like I like to just go for really natural makeup because I'm just trying to leave my house and enjoy my day. I'm not trying to sit there for 6 hours doing a cut, glitter, crease, half up, sunset, diamante look, you know. I don't know. You guys let me know. Let me know, girl. I've just come back from holiday and honestly, I've been living my best life. That phrase is so overdone now, but honestly, I really have been living my best life. I don't know what it is about travel, but it just makes me so happy, and I just feel like I'm my best when the sun is shining. And obviously in England, it doesn't really occur too often. So whenever I'm abroad, like, oh, I just feel like my best version of myself, you know. I've actually been to quite a lot of places. Fun fact, I've actually been to, I don't know, I've been to China, I've been to Switzerland, I've been to France, Spain a few times, Australia, Morocco. Yes, I really love traveling. That's a fun fact about me. It's not really a fun fact. Why do people say fun fact? Is it fun? Like, have you guys just had fun? Have you guys just had fun listening to me talk about that? I don't know why people say fun facts. But yeah, oh, this is actually a really pretty, oh, this is a pretty color. Oh my god, I might just leave this all over my lids, you know. And this is from my Revolution 35 Amplified 35 palette in Innovation. This shade next to the white. It is stunning. I think I've caught a tan as well. So it looks like orangey, like a dusky orange. Oh my word, this is stunning, sister. Especially with gold jewelry, it just pops. And if you've caught a tan too, it shall look. Oh yes, baby. A nice bold liquid line. Right, moving on to the face. I'm going to be using my Benefit Professional Primer. Still going strong. Oh my god, guys, I'm not joking. This black soap thing, yeah, this black soap business is not a joke. Usually my pores are so loud. You don't have to be so loud on my face, but today they're quiet. They're not talking too much. Like, I can barely see them, and that is what black soap does. My face feels so smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my color correction. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight and contour kit. I'm using this orange to correct around my mouth, just so I look even. I just use my finger because I'm lazy. But moving on to my Huda Beauty, I had to get another new pot because Huda Beauty is a big mood. So going to use that as my base, and also I'm going to add a bit of Revolution F16 foundation stick, because I've caught a tan, so the Huda Beauty is a tad bit too light for me at the moment. So I just add this to balance out the colour. I'm going to blot that because I just feel like... Moving on to highlight, I'm going to use my MAC NW40 to highlight my face. I'm going to mix it as well with a little bit of NW45 in Studio Finish Concealer, because like I said, I've caught a tan and I ain't trying to look ashy in these streets. Cut your eyeshadow just so it looks a bit cleaner. And the trick with this is not to go too low down on your face, because then it's not really highlighting, it's just making your face long again. So just concentrate it in the highest points of your under eye. Time to blend. When you start feeling cute because your makeup is going right, and you start acting brand new, like, yo, develop a different accent. You start dancing, like, you start looking at yourself in the mirror like, yes, I'm that B, you know. I can't. That's literally me every time I see my beat coming together. These lashes from GRWM, and they look absolutely stunning. Look at these, they look so wispy. Oh, can't wait.